A very good morning to all my dear students. As you all know that in English we have three sections. Section A, that is reading skills. Reading skills or section A is of 20 marks. This section will have two reading passages. First, a factual passage of around 300 to 350 words with 8 objective type questions. Now out of these 8, you may get 4 MCQs also. The second question is a discursive passage of around 350 to 400 words with 4 short answer type questions to test inference, evaluation and analysis of 4 objective type questions. It also includes multiple choice questions to test your vocabulary. Now, while doing the reading comprehension, we must keep in our mind some important points. These are the points which will help to improve your reading skills. Read sincerely to analyze and interpret ideas from the given text. That means you have to read it very carefully. Do not murmur, as sub-vocalization slows down reading. If you keep on murmuring, it will slow down your reading time. The third point is read silently. No lip movement is required. Do remember that our eyes move faster than our tongue. That means eyes should do the most part. Eyes are also the gateways to our brain. That's why when we see something, it greatly impacts our mind. Then skim for the main ideas and scan for specific information. You have to take out the main ideas. Your eyes and your mind must scan for specific information. Now, how do you know what are the main ideas and what specific information you need? For that, even before reading the passage, you must take a look at the questions that are asked. Now, how can you do that? In examination, you get 15 marks prior to attempt, right? In those 15 minutes, you should take a glance over the questions that are asked. From those questions, you will get what you have to take out from the passage. In that manner, you would be getting for specific information. Then understand the relation between the parts of the passage. Generally, in a passage, first of all, the main topic is given, then the causes, reasons, and in the last paragraph of the passage, the result is given. So you have to find the relationship between the different parts of passage. Read carefully to deduce meaning of unfamiliar words. Sometimes you are asked some synonyms or antonyms. Now, many a time you will get unfamiliar words. So, in order to get the meaning of that unfamiliar words, you have to read carefully to deduce or to extract the meaning. Do not use a pen or move your finger while reading. It slows down the reading process. Underline the important points and familiar words with a pencil while reading the passage. Go through the questions and then read the passage. Avoid cutting and overwriting. Read silently, extensively and intensively to enhance reading efficiency, to improve your vocabulary. My dear students, if you keep these things in your mind, there would be no such passage you could not crack. So just go through the passage extensively, look at the questions that are asked, and then again read the passage intensively. I'll give you a sample passage so that you can attempt it. It would be an easy passage so that you can easily make out the answers, and then I'll send you the answer keys to it. Thank you.